Hello everyone, I've got a 2013 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to be replacing the vapor canister solenoid. This is what the part looks like. The solenoid is actually this part, but I'm going to be replacing this entire module, and it just snaps on to the charcoal vapor canister, which is located in the rear of the vehicle by the muffler. So I'm having problems with a small evap leak in my system, and it's throwing some engine codes. I've got another video where I was cleaning the gas cap, or it's not really a gas cap, but it's a system. So check that out if you're having issues. And there's actually, so you have your rear solenoid and you have your purge valve solenoids up front. So if you're having issues, check that out. There's plenty of other videos on how to replace that one. That's a little more complicated. This is a fairly easy job. Okay, so I'm underneath the car now, and the first thing I have to do is remove this cover plate. There's 4 bolts that hold it down. Alright, so I removed the cover, and this is the charcoal canister, the entire canister. I'm not going to be replacing that, I'm just going to be replacing this section. So there's 3 things I have to do. I have to slide this tube off, and then I've got a small screwdriver, and I'm gonna pop. Let me see if I'm getting the camera. Just kind of remove that tab off. And there's 4 of them, but once you do one, then you can just kind of squeeze it to the side, and then there's an electrical connector for the solenoid. So I'm gonna put the camera down and remove that. All right, so you got that hose that just slides off, and now I'll pop up on that tab. Let's see if I can get it with the camera. Pop up on the tab. Oops. Alright, I'll put the camera down. Okay, so one of the ways of testing the part is I just rigged up some simple wires, and I'm going to test the solenoid, see if it engages. The solenoid should be normally open, and when you apply power, let's see if I can get it. Okay, so there it's engaging, and then it should close if it has power. So one way of testing it, if you remove the old one and you apply power, you can blow into there and see if you get a seal or not. So this one looks good. Okay.